Hello, David here, and the project for today is braiding challah. I already have a video out on how to make challah. If you're watching on YouTube, I'll put the link to that up in the upper right corner. If you're watching on Rumble, I'll put the link in the description below. So I've never done this before, it's new to me. But this is my first beat down. And this dough's pretty moist, so I'm going to sprinkle a little flour on there. I think I got the moisture content about right. This recipe makes 2 loaves, so I'm going to divide this ball in half. It's a little bit sticky. So I'm going to need 6 braids for this one. So let's cut this one in half. Divide each one into thirds. Okay, I got 3 braids here, and I'm going to have 3 braids going this way. I'm just going to do a basket weave. I brush some egg on it and then let it sit for a couple hours so it can rise. This one's just going to be a 3 braider. Alright, I braided it and then I curled it into a circle. Now I'm going to put the egg wash on it. And I'll let that rise for 2 hours. Alright, it's been 2 hours. I was hoping these would rise a little bit more. Maybe they'll get a little bit fuller while they're baking in the oven. Got the oven preheated to 325 and they're going to bake between 20 and 25 minutes. You got to watch them to make sure they don't burn. And I'm going to do a second coat of egg wash. I'm going to sprinkle on some of this stuff. Don't be fooled by the label. This is not what's in the jar. I ran out and then I mixed up my own stuff. I I got the garlic and I got the sesame seed and poppy seeds, but I don't want to put the salt in because this stuff is too salty. So here's the first one out of the oven. I'm glad it rose a little bit. Now I'm going to put the second one in. Here we have the second one. This is the one with the basket weave in the center and the 3-strand braids around the border. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.